If you are looking for an option how you can learn the English grammar, then you have come to the right video, because in this video I'm going to show you the free websites, apps and tools with the help of which you can improve your English grammar. So keep on watching. So my first recommendation is to learn the English grammar from the British Council website. The link is in the description, and in the English grammar reference page you can learn all the nitty and gritties of the English grammar, adjectives, nouns, verbs and all the details. Once you'll open any of them, you will also get the additional details about that particular thing. My second recommendation is also a website, which is englishgrammar.org. It is a very neat and clean website without any ads. The topics you can see towards the left side, and you can click any of the topic and you will see the details about that topic, and you can download these topics, exercises for you to solve and also improve your grammar. So I'm not going in details of these websites. I'm just, since I'll be giving the links, so you can go and check out for yourself. The third one is the englishgrammarexercises.com. Here you can solve the exercises regarding all the grammar subforms, and you can also learn the English grammar. The second last thing which I want to recommend is the Grammarly tool. It's a free online extension for your browser. It can be integrated in your Microsoft Office, Word, and it also can be downloaded as a keyboard onto your Android or iOS mobiles. So the link I will give in the description. You can just go onto that link and download the extension for your browser, or you can just come on the bottom of the page and download the Grammarly for your Office, download the keyboards, and you can also download it for the Windows. It has a standalone app also. It also has the app for the Android as well as for the iOS, so you can download the Grammarly keyboard, and it will also help you to correct your spelling, punctuation and grammar related mistakes wherever you are typing with the help of that keyboard. In any case, thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.